Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click on the subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. So today I'm going to be unboxing the biggest spinner. It's very shiny. This
So good in so many recipes.
shiny
And tacos is always delicious, especially when it's free this weekend at Foodland.
So I'm going to be
To receive a pound of ground beef free. But only this weekend, so swing by.
subscribe, the notification bell, give me a huge thumbs up. And you have to say, we want merch in the comment below. See you on my next video. Bye.